Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make a very simple and healthy asparagus stir fry. Wash the asparagus and then cut them into thin slices and have it ready. Let's get started. In a pan add 1 teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal and allow it to splutter. To this add 1 chopped green chilli and 1 chopped onions. Saute the onion and green chilli for a few seconds and then add little curry leaves. At this stage add the cut asparagus. This is how it has to be cut. Reduce the heat to medium and saute the asparagus for at least 2 minutes. Now close it with a lid and let it cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes open it and give it a stir and then close it again. You have to open and keep mixing it now and then so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. I'm going to close it again and then cook it for another 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes now. It's almost 75% done. At this stage I'm going to add salt to taste. After adding salt, give it a mix and let it remain for 2 to 3 minutes till it is completely cooked. It's been cooked well now. Finally, to give an extra flavor, I'm going to grate 2 tablespoons of coconut with half teaspoon of cumin seeds, and then I'm going to add the grated coconut to the asparagus. Do not skip adding cumin seeds because it gives a very nice flavor to the stir fry. So after adding it, you can turn off the heat and mix it well. And that's all. Such a simple and healthy asparagus stir fry is now ready. You can serve it with sambar rice or even with rasam rice. It tastes really good. Do try this recipe at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.